I thank God. I thank God for today. Today I'm going to make chapatis. This is my flour. I've put my salt, and you see I've put my onions. And this is our lukewarm water that I'm going to use to make my chapatis today. So this is my dough here, as you see it, and I have my cooking oil here. So I'm going to put 2 spoons of the cooking oil in my dough. Yeah, so I have to make my dough until it is soft, very soft, but as you see it's not yet soft, so I have to make more. I have to put more effort to make it so soft. So our dough is soft. I'm just going to leave it to stand for 10-15 minutes. Just put oil on top and leave it to stand for 10-15 minutes. Then after 10-15 minutes I'll again come try to make my chapatis. So after 10-15 minutes done, these are our chapati balls that I'm going to make my chapatis. My frying pan is here, is ready, my cooking oil, so I'm just going to start making my chapatis right now. Yeah, I cover my chapatis with this foil paper so that they don't dry out. So this is our chapati. Before putting them on the frying pan, I'm just preheating my frying pan. As you can see, I used a medium heat, so I'm going to start making my chapatis. Here are chapatis. I put 3 to go so that I want to finish very quick. So my first set of chapati I think is done. So these are our chapatis, they are ready. You see how soft they are. Yeah. Please like my channel, subscribe. Thank you everyone who is subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you.